problem they're asking us to factor it over the set of real numbers. Tells us to remind us about the greatest common factor first, and then after I factor it, I'm going to have to graph it. Talk to your partner. Is there a greatest common factor? Yes, no, or why? Go. Show me with your thumbs. Okay, in this problem there is a greatest common factor. Okay, remember, if you don't know how to do that, just take each of these and break them apart. 10 times x times x. Okay, look at that number here. This is your hint. Class, how am I going to break up 50x? 10 times 5 times x. How about 60? Yeah, you want to become best friends. You want to have something really good in common, right? 10 times 6. Class, what's our GCF? 10. See it? 10 is my GCF. What did we not circle? Okay, pay attention. Each of these do not have an X. It's very good to include new people, but you have that new person at school who stands in your circle at lunchtime. You're like, who are you? We don't have anything in common yet, right? Oh, you're a teenager? Oh, great. We have something in common now. Do you see that? So do not take out a greatest common factor of an X. That is a common mistake. So x squared minus what? 5x minus 6. Okay? So first, we're always looking for a greatest common factor. This may not always work. Some of you are very good at recognizing it right away, which is good. Some of you take some more time and you have to do this. This is okay. What do we do next? X box. Okay, now, we've just taken out a greatest common factor. Okay? Don't go back to these really big numbers. That's the point of the greatest common factor. It makes it more simple. So we're going to look inside the parentheses. Where, class? Inside the parentheses. A times C. Negative 6. B value. Talk with your partner. 10 seconds. Two numbers that multiply to be negative 6 but add to be negative 5. Go. Boys, give me one number. Negative 6? Girls, the other number. These multiply to be negative 6. They add to be negative 5. Look, if you struggle with that, it is okay to write out all the factors of 6. You know that it's going to be a negative, so you might have to make some of those negatives. Does that make sense? This gives you a visual. Alright, so let's write out our answer. 10 times x minus 6, x plus 1 is my answer. Don't forget the greatest common factor. Okay, we just factored. Now we need to graph this. Well, I can set it equal to 0 and apply the zero product rule. That means I'm going to set this equal to 0. I'm going to add 6 to both sides. X equals 6. Subtract 1. X equals what? Okay. Now on your graph, put your fingers where x is equal to 6 and x equals to negative 1. Here and here. Huh. Wonder which function family this is. Well, the highest degree is what? 2. Quartic, quadratic, cubic. quadratic. Well, here's another question. It's even, right? So it's going to be the same direction. Is it going to be pointing up or down? It's going to be pointing up. So here are some clues. Want intercept of negative 60. And I'm going to go ahead and sketch a graph. I have my two x-intercepts. Remember multiplicity. It's shooting through. And it's going through negative 60. And that's how you factor and graph.